Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited to kick off this brand new series all about server drives and motion controls. As you can see, I recently got this hands-on on this awesome server drive demo kit, generously sponsored by Li-Shine, this control brand. And this demo kit includes this Li-Shine HMI, Li-Shine PLC, and the motion controller. Its core is CodeSys based system, and the EL7 and the EL8 series server drives. A few weeks ago, Li-Shine reached out to me for this collaboration. After chatting with their team, I was really impressed by how dedicated and professional they are. And most importantly, I can feel their commitment to creating quality products for the global market. Okay, let's take a closer look at what is included. So this demo kit features one linear server motor axis, and it also comes with this encoder. And this linear server motor is controlled by this EL8, this white color server drive. And this green belt is also controlled by one server motor. It's controlled by this EL7 series server drive. And this classic axis, lead screw style, is also controlled by server motor. And this server motor is controlled by this EL7 series server drive. And everything connects with this EtherCAT field bus, this purple color. Okay. The heart of this control system is this CodeSys based PLC and the motion controller. So the programming practice I will show for you for the PLC code and the motion control will be widely applicable in the industrial control. Over the next few videos, I will show you how to get started with this Li-Shine server drives and the motion controllers. As you can see in this video, this demo kit is already running a cam control, or we call that fly saw function. So this is a very classic example of gear or cam-based motion control. I will use this setup as a foundation, as a base to introduce this motion control programming and show how can we use this real hardware to practice our programming. And if you are familiar with other brands like ABB, Schneider, Phoenix, or many videos as I have been shown, or many videos I have shown about programming environments like Backoff TwinCAT, you will notice a lot of similar CodeSys styled programming platform. Once you understand this CodeSys platform, like this Li-Shine motion controller for the motion control task, then you will find it's very easy to pick up other CodeSys based system also. My goal is to share the practice knowledge on this motion control programming and troubleshooting that you can apply across different platforms. And of course, if you are looking for one motion controller, definitely consider check out Li-Shine system. They have a very strong technical team. Okay, thank you for joining this motion control series, and stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. If you like to watch more videos in my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.